You're probably watching this video because your Google My Business account has been suspended. You are probably a small or local business owner like me, and I'm making this video because one of my locations was actually suspended as of today. So I'm going to walk through fixing this pretty much live and show you everything that I'm going to do to get this reinstated, and then I'll probably make a follow-up video showing the reinstatement. So if you haven't yet, make sure you hit that like, share, comment, or subscribe button. Turn on that bell for post notifications. My name is Mac Frederick, and every week I try to make videos about digital marketing, SEO, and how to grow your business online. Today, we're going to get into the details of fixing a suspended Google My Business profile or account. Let's get into it. First thing you're going to want to do that I like to do is, click into the account, see if, there's any information here that stands out. Like, did you change the name, address, or phone number? Is there anything significant that you changed on this recently? My phone number is the same, website URL is the same, name has been the same, address. Typically, the address and phone number is what's going to get you caught up. If Google sees that multiple locations are using a lot of the same information, or if you try to change your address, you can get suspended. And it's becoming more and more prevalent. I see this happening to a lot of people. I used to work at Google in the Google Ads consulting department, but I learned a lot about Google My Business ever since starting this agency about 6 years ago. So let's see what we can do to find out why it was suspended and what we can do to get it fixed. Sometimes you might get an email about it. I'm looking for an email here. So Google didn't even email me about this yet. But you should get an email saying that you have been suspended. But what you want to do is jump in and see, why it could have been suspended and go through the reinstatement process. It says due to quality issues. See the reviews. Reviews seem fine. Always make sure you're responding to your reviews too. Info seem fine. Messages maybe. Not available right now. Calls. Services. Oh, I bet it was due to my posts. I don't see posts as an option here. So it could have been a post that maybe wasn't relevant or had an issue. So I don't see posts over here, and typically I've been able to post and I don't see that. So let's go over here. Typically I'd suggest watching this video and checking out the help community or their YouTube about it. Sometimes it's due to COVID, changing the address, changing the phone number. You can review the Google My Business guidelines, learn how to edit your profile. If it meets the guidelines, you want to use this form to reinstatement, and then you can appeal a denied request after reinstatement by sending pictures of the storefront or summary of the business operations. You might have to send them some sort of bill in the mail to show that you're using that actual address and location with your name and address on it. Learn more about Google's response times. It takes about 3 business days to get this figured out. Sometimes they can remove a profile too. If that happens, just contact me. I'll leave my contact information in the information below the details of the video. Get a video about how to use our reinstatement form. Well, that's what I'm making right now. And then you can try to reach out to Google asking the community, or you can contact them for more information. So we are going to try to fill out the reinstatement form. Did I click into that yet? If not, this is the reinstatement form.
My name is Ben Fisher. I'm a Google My Business platform.
Oh, this is Ben. I know Ben.
Today I'm just going to show you how that you can request.
Watch this video. I'll put the video in the link as well. Ben's a cool dude. Make sure to subscribe to Steady Demand. He's a good guy. All right, so we're going to go to use our form for reinstatement, and then it should take about 3 days for them to get back to you. All right, walking through this form. Did you already submit a reinstatement for this one? Make sure you put yes. Are you the official representative for the company, organization, or account? Yes, I am. Does your business comply with Google My Business quality guidelines? Yes, it does. Is your business permanently located at the address? Yes, it is. Have you entered an accurate street address or service area for your business? Yes, I have. We can't use a PO box or anything sketchy. Does your business operate in a service area? In other words, are you an authorized representative for the business? No. It says in other words, like if you're a service business like a plumber and you come to people, you don't use a physical address to do business and you travel to people instead. Like, you know, a lot of service businesses, plumbers, contractors, roofers, technicians, you'll travel to people, so you'll hit yes. Do you have multiple profiles for the same location? No, I don't. Submit a reinstatement request. So here's the form. Mac Frederick. So here's my contact info if you guys need me, but this is my phone repair business. I've got 4 retail locations. In case of account suspension, please add the details of any one business manager under the account. What is the name of your business? Phone Repair Philly. What is the street address? And typically you want to show how it's listed on Google. So you can go right here, copy that. Make sure you're using the right address that's listed. Where do you manage your Google My Business profile? Google on business.google.com. What is the URL? So typically it's showing you to use this URL right here. Are these 2 different URLs that it's showing us? Dun, 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 dun. Dashboard. So make sure you follow this specifically. Find the URL by navigating to this. So this is how Google wants you to use the URL. A lot of people have trouble with this. And so then you can use this one. All right, let's try this for now, but let me verify that. Because this one's using the info tab. And then this one is using the dashboard tab. Which is essentially the same number here in the description. So you should be fine to use either. Paste that. Phone number we can call to reach you at. This is your phone, how you want them to reach you, not the business number. Do their best to call you. Email's the quickest. Randomly suspended. I don't know why. Tell them, you know, what you think about the situation here. I'm going to pause this while I write something. All right, I hit play again. I said this was randomly suspended. I don't know why. I started using my team. So we have a team that manages Google My Business, but I think it could be from another issue. They've been posting to Google My Business. Maybe they posted something they shouldn't have, but I doubt that's the case. I have not changed my name, address, or phone number, which is the main thing they care about. And this is not a fake or duplicate listing. I've been at this location for over 2 years now. It's a physical office location in a commercial building. We've been following the guidelines and need this reinstated ASAP as it's our main source of revenue and customers. 75% of our customers find us on Google. Now I'm going to attach any relevant proof. So I'm going to pause this again. Actually, I'll show you. So phone repair Philly 1528 Walnut Street. So search this, like search your name and address. Dun, 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 dun. Yep, not listed here. So I'm gonna send them a few screenshots of our website page with the address. We're gonna go back. And it's good to show them any sort of like documentation of the location. I might even have some sort of bill with me or something. We'll take a picture of that. Yes, I do. Right here, I've got an invoice for rent. A rent statement, so I'll take a picture of that and upload it. You can take a picture of your Yelp page. any information that shows the name, address, and phone number. Go back again, maybe take a screenshot of the Facebook page. Okay, let's go to Facebook. Anything you can send them that's helpful to show name, address, and phone number, any proof of verification, phone number, Philly Center City, name, address, phone number on Facebook. Meanwhile, take a picture of this. And I'll airdrop it to myself. You've got to have proof. You've got to have backup showing your location. Name, address, phone number. Boom, screenshot there. And let's make sure we airdrop this. All right, I'm playing this again. So here's the invoice for the name, for the address. It's got name, number, email, all that on there, address. Then we've got the Yelp screenshot, Facebook screenshot, website screenshot. This should be enough. So now what we're gonna do is we need to compress this stuff. So let's see if we can do that. Review this, make sure all the information is accurately filled out. You answered all the questions the right way, filled out your information, contact info, email, all that. Some account and system information will be sent to Google. Support calls, chats may be recorded, blah, 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 blah. Terms of service, was it's helpful. All right, so you're good. Now submit it. Was it helpful? I always hit no. It's typically not. And then your email has been sent, reinstatement request received. Please note you will not receive an email confirmation. Our team will contact you as soon as we have reviewed your appeal for reinstatement. So give it about 3 days, typically 1 to 2 days you'll hear back. And then I would check out the help community and then go to the contact us. So you can create a question here, or you can go straight into the community to find out more information, to see what other people are saying. There's tons of information in there, you know, people talking about like getting reinstatement and, you know, fighting appeals, things of that nature. If we go back, we can go down to, well, it already submitted, but contact us. And then contact options. So what do you need help with? This one. Exactly, submitted reinstatement. Suspended. All necessary paperwork. Okay. Submit that, suspended business. You can go through this, and then it's just going to give you resources. It's stupid. They're not even going to let you contact them. But if you go the whole way through this, there might be an email feature or a call feature, but typically it's possible to get on the phone. If you need any other help, if you have trouble with this, just give us a call, send me an email or message. We also have another video and information how to fix suspended Google My Business account with the article right here. I'll put this in the link as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you find this helpful, hit the like button, comment if you have any questions. Please follow and subscribe, share this with your friends or anybody that needs help, and turn on that bell for post notifications. Read this article. If you need help, you can definitely hire us. It's pretty cheap and we're very effective. We also manage Google My Business accounts, local SEO, website SEO, any sort of digital marketing for small and local businesses. My name is Mac. Thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button and we'll see you next time. Good luck.